Students, let's try to understand one problem. From the rate expression for the following reaction, determine the order of reaction and dimension of the rate constant. So now student, it's very simple. You can say the rate is equal to, they have given K power, what is the 2. So order is what, student? Sum of power of molar concentration of reactant. So here is 2. So order is going to be what, student? 2. Now unit, if you are talking about, student, unit. So unit of K. Okay. So how to determine unit of K, student? So from the same, student, rate is equal to K NO, this power 2. So dear student, rate is equal to mole per liter is equal to K. Here is what, student? Mole. It is going to be per liter and that is going to be square. So this is square, this is cancel out. So K is equal to, it is going to be 1 by mole per liter. So it is what, student? Mole inverse liter, student. So this is what is the our required answer, student. Here is the second inverse also there, student. Little bit I did the mistake. So here is 1 second inverse is there. So it will be the second inverse also. So mole liter, mole inverse liter, and that going to be second inverse. So this is what the first one. Now the second part, let's try to understand the second one. Firstly we need to erase this one, then only you can be able to solve, because it is the space problem here, right? So easily you can solve this problem, student, right? That is what, not a problem at all to understand. Now see, student, what is this is the second one is there. So rate, they have, dear student, given what? K, it is H2O2, student, and then I minus. So what is that is? Here power nothing means 1 and 1. So order is equal to what it is going to be? Order is equal to, it is going to be 2, students. So it is going to be very simple. Order is going to be 2. So what is dimension? So dimension will be the same what the, as it is the first question. What is the mole? Rate is mole, liter inverse, second inverse, equal to, what is this one? Two terms are there, K. So here we have to write mole, liter inverse. This is going to be square. This square is going to be cancel out here. So what it will be there is, student, K. This is second inverse divided by, it is the mole, liter inverse. Solve it. So it is going to be mole inverse, second inverse, and liter. So liter, mole inverse, second inverse. So this is going to be our answer, student. Now let's try to see the question number 3. So it's going to be very simple, students. So what we need to do, little bit you need to check out the calculation portion, then everything will be the all right, students. So dear students, let's try to see the third one. What the third one? Here this is. So rate, they have given rate is equal to what? K. This is CH3 CHO, and that power is 3 by 2. So student, this is the, what is the mole, liter inverse, second inverse is equal to, it is the K. What is going to be, student? This is the what? Mole, liter inverse, and this is the 3 by 2. This is what the, now student, so order is already you got to know now. Order is equal to 3 by 2. Only we need to know the dimension. Mole, liter inverse, second inverse, this is the cancel out. So what will be there, student? K value. So it is going to be second inverse divided by what? This is the mole, liter inverse is there. So 1 is out, student. So 1 is out. It means what is left, student? 1 minus 3 by 2. So it is what? Either you can say 3 by 2 minus 1. So it is left out 1 by 2. So it is second inverse mole 1 by 2 in the term of minus, and liter 1 by 2. So you see, student, what is there? liter 1 by 2, mole 1 minus 1 by 2, and second inverse. So this is what the correct, students. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Here if you are talking about the last one is the very simple one. Let me check out the last one also. Nothing to worry, student, you can understand in the classroom also, or you can read out the textbook. Okay, so you can easily understand these things. These are not the tough portion at all. Now see, so rate they have given, student, rate is equal to what? K. It is C2H5Cl. This is, so nothing is there means 1, so order is going to be what, student? That is 1. That is what going to be the very simple one. Now dimension, if you are talking about dimension means what, student? This is going to be unit. So what is going to be rate units? What, student? Mole, liter inverse, second inverse is equal to what? K, mole, liter inverse. This is cancel out. So K is equal to what, student? Second inverse. So it's very for the first order reaction. So these are all about the answer, student. Thank you so much for watching, friends.